Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see some free courses from Udemy. Yeah, it's absolutely free, but only one thing is one day only left. All the coupons are applied. You don't want to apply it merely, so try to get all the courses as soon as possible. You just purchased it, and you can, when these all courses are lifetime access, so you can if you want later, if you want, means you can get from your my courses section. And these are the steps to do. Just give enroll, which region you are, give any region you can give, it will not going to verify. So just give and give the enroll, and it will be saved in your my courses section. So if you later, if you want, if you have the idea to study, you can do. So if you don't want now, don't hesitate it, you save it for later or future purposes. And most of the courses having Python courses, Java, programming language courses, software development courses are there. And today these are the courses only available for free. Some of the 15 to 18 courses is there. For regular updates, please subscribe our channel and make the bell icon enabled. So daily video I will be uploaded some online daily free courses from Udemy. You can get updated. This is the AutoCAD course, 2D and 3D AutoCAD. If you're interested in mechanical design, you can purchase this. This is Amazon. This and all will not be giveaway to you. So Wi-Fi hacking, you can see, right, this when I am taking the video, before taking the video, this course was free, but now it's expired. So as soon as possible, do enroll and save it for your future. This is ISTQ mobile application testing training. These courses and I don't want. I think I will give some of the effective courses like Python, Java, and SQL, PHP. You can say SQL bootcamp with MySQL, PHP and Python. These are the worthy courses. You can see these courses are lastly updated 5/2021. So these courses you can learn. These are not outdated. This is updated only. So you can enroll and you can make your knowledge as sharp. I'm sorry for my internet issue. It's taking more time. You can see the start course, you have absolutely for free. We got this course, teach English online. These and all don't want, I hope. The Python programming for everyone, you can see Python Pro 11 2020. This is just somewhat old, but still Python you can learn. And Python only some of the 4 courses are there for if you are planning to learn Python. Some of the 4 courses is there. All the links are in description, but one thing is within 24 hours or within 6 hours it will be expired. I have shown the example, right? Wi-Fi hacking course, it was 8,600 rupees. This is the very useful course, machine learning and deep learning in Python with R. So you are getting some 4 language: machine learning, deep learning, Python plus R. All the things you are getting in this one combo. And this is also updated course only. You can give any region you can give. I am from Tamil Nadu, so I am giving Tamil Nadu. If you are from Andhra or Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, you can give. And while saying the state, India is in lockdown. Please take care of you and your family, and also don't waste time. Update yourself continuously. This is network security. I think this also some not effective, I think. Okay, if now it maybe seems like it will be not effective, but just give the enroll. And if you want in future, you can anytime up to your life. It is lifetime access, right? Best step, I don't know what is this courses also. Today these are the courses offering for free. Tomorrow some of the courses will be there for free, and day after tomorrow some of the courses will be there. So if you want to get updated, please subscribe and make the bell icon enabled so that you don't miss anything. This is the automate the boring stuff with Python programming. So I had said, right, Python only 3 to 4 courses are there because Python in demand. One of the high demand course is Python now. So if you are free, try to learn Python, because if you give a LinkedIn profile on Naukri.com, if you give the Python developer, most of the jobs are awaiting for you, because even Google, Amazon, these are the things are using the Python as their language. Google using search engine for Python as for search engine. Let's see how you may have the doubt, are he saying any lie to us? Let's check. I'm given the start the course. You can see how this course is opening, right? Yeah, if you want to pay this course, it will be cost around 8,600 rupees, but now it is absolutely free for you. Why can't you use this offer, right? And try to enroll within 6 hours or 24 hours. So many of the courses are up to will be expired 24 hours, because I am uploading this video after half of the day, so you have to within enroll today, May 13. These are the courses are there. I will be giving the link for all the courses, and with name I will give. Whatever you want, you just take it and export it and use the time lockdown time, because we are all the time we are in free, right? After your online classes, your college or your school online classes, try to learn this. This is the beginner guide to competitive program using Python. Let's see how it's open. Start the course. I'm sorry, my internet is very bad internet connection today, it seems. Here the rainy day, you can see the how the two sections is there. All the basic, you don't want to be the expert in Python. If you are zero also, you can be expert by completing these courses. So try to utilize these courses, because if you were like oxygen, when the oxygen we are getting free, we didn't use it or we didn't save it, but now we are struggling for getting the oxygen. So because it is now it is valuable, because it is now it's not free. If you want oxygen, you have to pay some thousands. So when you getting as free, utilize it and try to explore many things. I think all the courses I have shown, and I will be updating tomorrow what are the courses will be free. I will update tomorrow. These are the courses you can see, right? Then thank you guys. Let's end up the video, and all the links will be in description. So what how many courses you can, if I say I have I have enrolled more than 80 courses. I have enrolled in Udemy. For past 10 days I am seeing the videos in YouTube, and daily I am using the link and enrolled. I have enrolled more than 80 courses, so that in future if I want to learn means I can go through it, right? So what I am saying, if you don't want now itself, so save it for future. Okay guys, then see you in next video. Subscribe and get tuned with us. Thank you.